Hi panelist, we would like to present our proposed system entitled Library System using BARC. Nowadays, the existence of the computers greatly affects our society. Even the school embraces the technology to have a much easier work. Library is a building or a room containing many books for reading and references. A library has librarians who are experts in findings, organizing, and interpreting information needed. Most of the students visit the library to gain knowledge and to conduct research. Many of school are still using a manual library system, even it's a public or private. One of the schools that is still using manual library system is the Mater Dei Academy. Mater Dei Academy is located at kilometer 39 Homogeneous Street, near Santa Maria, Bulacan. It is the only and first private secondary school in District 4, Santa Maria and North Gray, that is implementing the science, technology, and engineering or special science class curriculum as per DepEd Regional Memorandum No. 124 Series of 2014. It was established in year 1994, and the school president is Ms. Marie Bell R. Gaite. Currently, the total number of enrolled students are 738 from preparatory to senior high school. The library in Mater Dei Academy is known as a learning resource center where all the resources needed by the students and teachers are placed. Other than books, they also have a collection of educational CD that is used for audio-visual presentation. As of now, there is a total of 1,700 books that was partially recorded. New books that were already delivered are not yet recorded in their database. The school has a plan to have a bigger library in their school to be open to the public. Library is also important for the school because this coming school year 2016 to 2017 they will be accepting grade 11 and grade 12 students. The average number of students who borrowed a books every day is 20 students. The library have a logbook for the attendance of students who come in and out in the library, but it is inconsistent practice. The students use a 1/8 index card that serves as their temporary library card, but it is only made by the student. As of now, the library is not using a card catalog. The students will search books one by one in the shelves. In terms of acquisition, the librarian record every books that already delivered to the library. In circulation system, they use the logbook for the borrowers. The borrowers are required to fill up all the information needed in book part of the books that they borrowed. The students only allowed to borrow a maximum of 2 books. The faculty teacher can borrow a book that they returned it to library after the semester. In returning of books, it depends on the type of the books if it's a regular or special books. Regular books are books that can borrow and return within 3 days, while special books can only borrow and return within 1 day. In terms of inventory of the books, the librarian use Microsoft Excel that serve as storage of all book records. There are many disadvantages that the librarian and the library users encounter when using manual system. The librarian cannot monitor properly the students who come in and out in the library. There is also an uncollectible overdue books and penalties. It is inconvenient to search books one by one in the bookshelves. To give solution to the problem stated, the proponents will create a system wherein the librarian can have a fast transaction with the patrons through scanning their library card in terms of attendance monitoring, borrowing and returning of books. Using an online public access catalog, the patrons can easily search a specific book that is available in the Learning Resource Center. The system can have a short message service, SMS, notification features of the system that will also help the librarian to notify the patrons who have an overdue unreturned books. The system can also automatically compute the penalty of the patrons. It can also generate a statistical report needed in the library.
Created using Powtoon.